Good morning, guys. How you doing? Hope you guys had a good rest last night. Guys, I know this market's been ridiculous. I know it's been crazy. We're going to talk about this a little bit in today's video. We're going to look at the metrics as well as the indicators, see where we're going to be heading this week. Avalanche is probably going to be our next winning trade. We're currently sitting at 109 wins and 0 losses. We've never taken a loss on crypto, and if you guys start trading with us, I'll show you guys how to trade and take all these wins. Real quick in the beginning of the video, I want to just talk about this very fast, guys, and then I'll leave it to the end of the video. But our membership that you guys see me talk about, and I'll dive into analysis right after this, I promise. You guys have 3 days left. 3 days left. If you guys want to trade with us and take all of our trades, we've never lost a trade. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. We have our membership over here. You guys can secure your spot for $49 a month. It's going to be going up to $95 a month in 3 days. Today's the 22nd. It's going up on the 25th. So make sure you guys use the links in the description to snag that so you guys can take part of that and you guys will get access to everything you guys see today. The indicators are sold separate, but all the metrics, the Telegram access, the Inner Circle Masterclass, all that. Okay, don't turn this into a sales video, but I want you guys just to be aware of that because if you guys want to take advantage of all the trades that we're winning over here, you guys can do that. Okay, let's go all the way down to the bottom to pull up the Avalanche charts and let's talk about this. Guys, here's a feeling I've been feeling just this morning, like really strongly. It almost feels unfair that we get to buy at this low price. Some of you got to understand that. Some of you are going to think it's frustrating because you guys are losing so much money. But let me just give you some perspective here. I'm like, last night I was up at I looked at the clock. It was 2:51. I'm asking God. I'm like, God, what do I talk about on these charts today? I want to just help you guys out. I want to just give you wisdom. I want to give you the best I can give you on these channels here, and so. I woke up this morning feeling like this is such an incredible time to be buying. If you guys look at Solana right now, like how low that is. Look at ADA, Cardano. Looking at Dogecoin. Look at these other coins, guys. There are some people that over at the all-time highs, they would have been like, man, I really wish I would have gotten at the lower prices. I wish that opportunity would come to me in life again. Some of you guys that I'm coaching are going to become millionaires off of buying at this lower level. I know that because I know the account balances you're trading with. Okay? And I know when we get back to structure highs here, when we just reach the highs, some of you guys will become millionaires because the amount that you guys are trading with. This is such a good opportunity to buy that either crypto has to go away to zero or a lot of you guys are going to make a ton of money. So look at this not as a depressing thing that's happening right now, but look at this as one of the greatest opportunities you may have in your entire life to make money. Okay? Because just as fast as this market's going down, when we hit these bull runs, guys, they go fast. And then you're like, man, I wonder how high it's going to go. Conversely, over here, you guys are thinking like, man, I wonder how low it's just going to go and I'm just going to keep losing money. Guys, it's time to buy. It really, really is. So let's take a look at the metrics here and we'll get into the analysis. The trend dashboard shows me all of the retail trader indicators. Most of these are still bearish because they're red over here, showing the arrow down. Just showing that we're still in this downtrend here. So we could be seeing a little bit of a further downtrend, but one of these times, guys, it's just going to start reversing and we're going to start moving back up. Take a look at this real quick. Let's pull out a trend line. Let's go to the top. Let's pull this down here. What I'm looking for right now on Avalanche is to get a break above this descending resistance. So if we can push this price up to about $80, this will officially break this descending resistance and we will be above this, looking for the breakout. This will 75, 80%, maybe even close to 85% of the time, it will break to the upside. Like guys, it will break to the upside for sure. It's just a matter of how soon will it break to the upside. So if you guys know something's going to break to the upside, because it's either it goes up there or it just keeps going all the way back down to zero. So it's going to break up there and it's going to start moving back up. Do you have money in the market? Or do you want to put money in? You guys are getting paid like every 2 weeks, right? Like most of you guys who are watching this, you're either getting paid once a month or you guys might be real estate agents, such like that, where you guys get paid, kind of sporadically. But you guys are making money. So it may not be a bad idea. I'm not a financial advisor, but what about putting some money in at lower prices here? Like our account over here, let me just show this to you guys. I just keep everything transparent. It's kind of fun for me to show this all to you guys. But our portfolio over here is about $125,000. Okay, 150 is our break-even entry. I still have $34,000 in cash waiting to buy this dip in case we go further down. Okay, it's pretty, if you guys have cash, it may not be a bad time to get some money in the market. It's just what I want to say. I want to update this real quick and then we'll move over here. 125. Okay, let's go down here. Take a look at the price risk while money flow and the trend exhaustion. Those of you guys who are short trading with our indicators, you guys have done ridiculously well. When you guys saw the trend exhaustion in the top right section up here, pushing up here, and the well money flow very high, you did not get in at the top. I want to be really clear about that. You didn't get in at the top. You got in right about here. And then if you guys rode this back down, even where the trend exhaustion got to the bottom section here, if you're using, standard no leverage, that's about 7%. 2x leverage, 14%. Those of you guys who were sleeping and you woke up and you guys are actually down here at the moment, you may want to look to take some profits because you're up about 17%, 5x leverage. You guys can do whatever you want on that. I personally don't suggest anybody use leverage. I know some traders who I coach who are really good at using leverage because you guys have obviously proven it to yourself. But for those of you guys who are using the indicators for that, you're doing really well. If you guys did take a short trade over here on this call where the trend exhaustion got high, well money flow is high here, you guys did very well as well. So just showing this to you guys, you took about 11% because what you're looking for is when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section, then when it gets down to the bottom red section, you're looking to take some profit. So I'm not going to sit on here and tell you guys, you got out down here. No, the trend exhaustion actually pushed to the bottom right at this area right here. So you guys were to take about 11% if you're using 2x leverage, about 20%. Just another way I want to show you guys how to make money here. If you guys are scalping with the indicator, so the scalping crew out there, it's kind of cool. The scalping crew sounds like a construction site. You guys who are getting the trend exhaustion at the bottom red section and well money flow low here, you guys are getting in here. You're only looking to ride this up for maybe 3 to 4% and you're getting out. Obviously, you guys made a really good amount of money on this because getting down here, you guys had 23% to exit. So that's plenty money. Okay. Even down here, when you guys saw this, when we got to the bottom section here, well money flow was low. That was right around this area here. Now, if you guys were in here and you're scalping this, what I really recommend you guys doing if you're going to scalp is you continue to use the buy limits so you guys are actually able to come in and get some good risk management. Yeah, if you're scalping for 3 to 4%, you made your 3 to 4 and great. You did awesome. It went up about 6.65. And now you guys are back down here at the bottom again looking to scalp this and you made more money this morning if you guys are scalping with it. Look right here. Don't cherry pick. Look right when it went down to the bottom section. It's right at the end of this red candle here. So all of you guys 3 to 4%, obviously you did that already. So good job. Those of you guys who are scalping, you're making money. You're doing fantastic. We're about to get into the profit here and I will call an exit for us in Telegram when we're going to exit this trade and we will make money as well. So if you guys have the indicators, you're all pretty much making money hand over fist right now if you're just following this technique here. Okay, let's now go over, because right now, just give me 1 second here. Let me show this to you guys. This is divergence. So while money flow is moving into the market, this is a bullish sign. Trend exhaustion is low. This is a bullish sign, guys, just as I talked about in yesterday's video. So that's what it's calling. Get ready for that move up. We're already seeing it happen just a little bit this morning here. All right. Avalanche, you guys know how to get into this already. I showed you the pricing, so make sure you guys snag that in the description. Let's dive in. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update. So, emotional index. Let's start here, guys. What are retail traders feeling this morning? I love to know what retail traders are feeling because they're going to help wells and institutions kind of ease out of their trades. So what they're looking at this morning is we saw this move down to the anxious section, obviously, because we started seeing this move down here. So they're in the anxious section, then pushing up back here. We didn't necessarily get into anxiousness, but we got very close to it, and we're in the neutral section. I think right now is an incredible time to be buying into Avalanche, and I'll show you guys how to access that trade setup if you guys want to take that. Okay, moving down here, long versus short trades. This is kind of interesting. Short trades drastically moved out of the market here on this dip back down, and they have not rose since then. I'm kind of curious. I don't know the answer to this, but why didn't short trades come up here and actually increase when we got to the high? I'm not really sure. If you guys had the indicators, you obviously took that profit and you made a ton of money on that move back down there, okay? What we're seeing recently, if you guys can see this here, is we're actually seeing this increase of long trades, which is very good, and short trades are actually slightly sloping out here, which is, without a doubt, no bias here, that is a bullish sign. People are buying and short trades are moving out a little bit. That is probably why we're starting to see this little bit of a pump up this morning. So this is good. This is a bullish sign entering back into the market. Look at this, guys. We're green all the way across the board. I know yesterday was bearish. We came out with some videos and I showed you guys overall, if we're just being honest and looking at the metrics, it looks like we're about to get bullish. Bullish, okay? That's what we're seeing this morning, so it held true. Look at this. Market cap strength. The market cap of Avalanche has just been going up here like crazy. It has been screaming up the charts for CoinMarketCap, and it's just been awesome to watch. Like, we listed this thing. I know I told you guys, but like we listed this, and it's just like it's been going up. This is super, super healthy for Avalanche. So this is a good coin. I like to see this because here's what this actually tells you guys. I don't know if you understand this, but as this green line goes up, do you know that money actually has to flow out of other altcoins in order for this to go up here? It means money's going into Avalanche and out of other altcoins because this is the percent of market cap relative to the entire market cap. So this shows an incredible amount of interest is being pumped into Avalanche. An incredible amount of interest. Look at where it is on the coin market cap, guys. It's gone up like crazy. This is a very bullish and healthy sign for Avalanche, just so you guys know. Even healthier than, honestly, Cardano. Cardano's market cap is dropping out like crazy. And I wouldn't doubt if some of that money is actually moving to Avalanche, okay? I still hold Cardano, guys. It's my number 2 holding, so I'm not giving up on it. But just letting you guys know that's a very good sign for Avalanche, for those of you guys who love this coin. Trades in favor. Seeing down here into the neutral section, we did push up here into the good short trade area. Guys, again, look at this. Good short trade area. We just tagged up there. What was that? Right here at this area, right here at that area where combine these together, guys, and you are going to be able to see these areas in here where you can short back down. Guys, if Coinbase would allow us to short the markets, I would short with you. I would. I just want to keep all my money in the same spot and make it simple. Because there is some emotional factors you're going to run into. If you've ever experienced this, I've talked to our traders about this in some coaching sessions, where if you try to go long and short at the same time, it is kind of funky. You're like looking at supports and you're like, oh, we're going to bounce from here, but wait, I got to close my short because the bounce on support for a long trade means my short's going to start losing because I want it to go down. Okay, I hit a resistance. Great, I need to take profit on my long trade and then I need to actually open a short trade because I think it's going to go down. I only trade one side because it makes it a lot simpler. I like simple. All right, so we're going to keep it that way for now. But if you guys want to short, go ahead, snag them. Get those indicators, guys, making you guys tons of money over there. Look at this, guys. When the price went down over here, we saw long trades into the market. What happened after this is a precursor. Market went up. Price went up. Short trades came out here with smart money. Market went back down. Look at this. What is the precursor we're looking for now? Price action down. Long trades out with smart money and institutions. Looking for that move back up here, guys. This is a bullish sign. That's what I wanted to keep telling you guys this morning. I know this market's freaking people out, but as you guys woke up this morning, a lot of coins are up 5+%, 3 to 4, close to 5% on some of these coins. Okay, so this is a good turnaround, depending on what time frame you're looking at. Support and resistance prices. Let's take a look at this. We're at this very strong support here that we were at. It's right around this 76.21. So 76.21 was over here. We did end up breaking this, and we started moving back down. So this next support here that we're looking at, very strong, is at $65. 65 is down here, and we got let me get this out of the way so we can see this, very close to hitting that down here at the bottom. This is where I think we're going to see a bounce back up. Again, all we're watching for is that if we can get to $80, $80 could easily pump us back to 100. That's why I want you guys to watch that, because what's going to happen down here, sorry, let me put that back where it was. What's going to happen here is if a lot of people see this start moving back up and we break this descending resistance, then short traders who are looking to short right here because they're looking to short this move up here, they're going to have to actually flip their positions and go long again to make their money back up. Because I know there's people right now, let me get this out of the way here, we're one more quick second here, that are going to be looking to short this right here because it's respected this trend line to get a move back down. If this starts moving up, guys, it's going to squeeze all the short trades, and this could actually get extremely bullish in the market soon. So again, like I mentioned, if you guys have short trades open right now, I would look to definitely take some profit right now before this thing starts moving back up. Okay, there's bullish signs here. Let's go over 2 more metrics here, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup so you guys can use our membership to make some money. Okay, dollar cost average entries, this came out yesterday, so great job, guys, right around this area. Boom, right there. Okay, if you guys are holding for 5 to 10 years, you're making really good decisions over here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I have to make that clear, but guys, these metrics are going to help you guys just secure profits in the market, and you're doing really well. Okay, those of you guys who obviously took the signal over here, you guys are doing good as well. Okay, exit points. What can we see over here? When the price starts heading back up and we start seeing another red bar come out here, this is where I'm looking for a move back down. This will most likely happen when we are above our break-even entry. So the next target I'm looking for, so you guys know, for an exit here is at the ascending resistance, and that's right around $82. So we're going to probably look to take a profit of this of about 7 to 8% because I do think we're going to see a move back down. We'll just take profit, we'll get back into the trade, and we'll ride it back up. That will most likely be our 110th win, okay? What you guys want to do now to get into a next trade setup is just scroll down right here. Let's go up here. If you guys like any of these metrics, guys, subscribing to the YouTube channel, it means so much to me. That is so awesome. So if you guys saw anything helpful here, feel free to do that. Let me show you guys how to get into this trade setup. So on the front page, if you guys saw this, go into trade metrics and setups. Literally, you can take this trade setup this morning if you want. Here's the Avalanche chart. You're going to click that and go to the bottom. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on the Bitcoin chart. So click Bitcoin and just scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, there's the video of how to actually set this all up if you guys want to watch that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this on Bitcoin. Keep this chart in view. What you guys are going to see is 4 yellow lines and 1 green sell limit. Okay, Here's what you guys are going to do. Choose the amount that you want to trade each of our coins with. Let's say you're trading Avalanche this morning. You want to get into this. This is how we have never lost a trade. So listen carefully, guys. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Now place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. Okay? Very simple. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for a 100% exit. So once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit. I did move down the Bitcoin sell limit this morning because I want us to capture more profits because it may not move up as fast as we think. So make sure you guys are watching that. On Avalanche, it's all updated this morning, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Literally 30 minutes, guys, all the trades are going to be updated. So this is how we are winning trades. If you guys get into the Avalanche trade this morning and it comes back down here and you guys get tagged in and you simply just wait for me to get back into the profit and look to take an exit for when I take an exit and call it out in the Telegram channel, you're probably going to be doing about 28 to probably around 30% profit. So if you guys get into that trade setup for Avalanche this morning on our website and just wait for me to call an exit on this trade because I am in this trade with you guys right now with my money, you will make about 30% profit. Literally, it's that. I know it's like, oh, it can't be that easy. No, it actually is that easy, guys, because even if the market goes down, look at this trade. We have more buy limits. That means our buy limit's going to move down. If you have your buy limit set up here, your 4, then your buy limits are going to get hit, and you're still going to make more money than me if you just follow the risk management and exit with me in Telegram. Guys, this is like a very hard trade to lose because it's so low. So if you guys are looking at all these videos this morning, that's awesome. I know you guys have people you follow. Awesome. Okay. If you guys are watching this, you're like, okay, do you guys understand, like, if you just use this risk management, you guys follow me in Telegram, you guys have, I want to be careful how I say this, but like, quote unquote, you guys have like a guaranteed win here that you can actually make some money on. Because it's either crypto goes down to 0 and it completely goes away, which everybody, like, that's not going to happen. I don't see that happening whatsoever. If you do, you should probably take all your money out of the market. But there's an opportunity you guys can make as far as money in the trade there. All right, guys, last thing we'll talk about real quick, and then we'll end this video here. The indicators, guys, make sure you're snagging these. You saw the accuracy of these in the beginning of the video. I've been talking to you guys about the short traders and those of you guys who are scalping. Great job for those of you guys who are doing that. You guys are able to get our bundle pack today. This is 82% off, okay? What you guys can do is you guys can come here and snag this. At minimum, you guys want to get the price risk, swap, money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These 3 indicators are the ones I use every day, and these are the ones we exit. This is how we've gotten our high win rate, how you guys scalp, how you guys are able to get short trades, all that stuff, okay? These 3 indicators are 40% off right now, and our other indicators below these are 60% off, okay? If you guys get the bundle pack, you're going to get 82% off everything we have. Literally, it's very close to the exact same price you're going to pay anyways for the 3 that you need. Just get the bundle pack today. You're going to get 9 indicators, all of these. Feel free to watch the videos of each of these if you guys want before you purchase. That's totally fine. But definitely, guys, take advantage of this sale we have going on because it's not going to stay here for the rest of the year. We are eventually going to be upping this. So make sure you guys snag that. That's in the description. Okay, guys? So overall, this is looking very good. I do think we're going to start getting into a little bit of a bull run here. We're just looking for this to hit $80. And then once we hit 80, it is then a projection up to $100. That's simply just the next structure high of the next bull run we could be seeing. Look at this over here. When we came over here and we broke this descending resistance, where did we target? Previous structure high in the next bull run. So make sure you guys are watching that. Look at this even over here. This drop back down in the market. When that was broken, we started moving back up. Previous structure high, we targeted it. So it's a pattern that happens a lot. So when I say that, I'm not just throwing these numbers out there just to like make it a fun $100 thing I can throw in a thumbnail or something. Literally, that is the next structure we're going to go for. But we have to break up to about $80 first, and then we could possibly see that move up. So watch $80 and then move up to 100. That's where I'm looking for the next moves to happen. So guys, God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. Make sure you guys have 3 days left. Come over here, guys. Snag your spot. We're going to be going live on Zoom March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. We're going to be getting together as a family talking about the markets. It's going to be awesome. Watch the master classes. We just came out with one last Friday, so not too long ago. Make sure you guys are watching those. You get access to all of them, and I think you guys are really going to like this. The master classes, real quick, if you guys can end this video right now, it's totally fine. I just want to talk about this if you guys want to hang around. I entered $14,000 into the market and taught you guys about the equator principle. If you use this equator principle, you will make more money, guaranteed, with our strategy. There's just no way not to make more money, okay? How to master your emotions and thought patterns to win more trades. Watch this video. You guys will see how I do this. There's a reason why we've never lost trades, okay? How to spot huge moves before they happen. Watch this, guys. Down here, learn TradingView and how to use their drawing tools. And then the one we just came out with was diversification. Guys, the seriously, when I say this in the video, the 3 to 4 days after I did this, I immediately saw better gains in my account and my risk went down. It's a simple principle, but if you guys can learn this, this is so important that you guys can just watch these masterclasses, get this stuff into your souls, literally, as you're trading, and it will help you guys immensely. I promise you it will. This is how we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and we've never lost a trade. I'm teaching you and revealing all the secrets to you guys. So snag your membership, guys. Have a good one. We'll up this price this Friday, so make sure you guys get over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. If you have any questions about anything, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.